Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, how to hide caller ID on iPhone. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. We are going to use an app that we all have on our iPhone, and that's Instagram. When you make a phone call, the other person won't see your phone number, but it will simply say no caller ID, whether you're using the latest iPhone model or an older version. The very first step that we have to do if we want to hide our caller ID is to go open up settings. When you are in the settings, scroll down to the bottom until you find the phone section. Open it. When you are on this page, tap on Show My Caller ID and simply disable this. Make sure that this is turned off. When it's off, then no one will be able to see your caller ID and your privacy will be protected. You can enable this at any time. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.